Have you ever wondered what causes the beautiful Aurora Borealis, those magical swirls of color that dance across the night sky? The answer lies nearly 93 million miles away, in the heart of our solar system, the Sun. The Sun, while appearing calm and steady to the naked eye, is a swirling inferno of magnetic activity. Occasionally, this activity reaches a peak in what we call a solar flare. This is a sudden flash of increased brightness, often near the Sun's surface, releasing vast amounts of energy. But how does a solar flare lead to the Aurora Borealis? A solar flare launches a cloud of electrons, ions, and atoms through the solar system. This cloud is known as a coronal mass ejection, or CME. When a CME reaches the Earth, it interacts with our planet's magnetic field, creating a geomagnetic storm. This storm sends charged particles spiraling down the Earth's magnetic field lines towards the poles. As these particles descend, they collide with oxygen and nitrogen in our atmosphere. This collision excites these atoms, causing them to light up and create the beautiful colors we associate with the Aurora Borealis. The color of the aurora depends on which gas the solar particles collide with and how high in the atmosphere the collision occurs. Lower altitude collisions with oxygen produce green lights, while higher altitude collisions with oxygen result in red lights. Collisions with nitrogen, on the other hand, can produce blue or purplish red lights. It's important to note that the Sun goes through an 11-year cycle of activity, known as the solar cycle. As we approach the peak of this cycle, known as solar maximum, the frequency of solar flares and, consequently, the auroras increases. So, to summarize, the magnificent Aurora Borealis is a result of solar flares from the Sun. These flares emit coronal mass ejections that reach Earth and interact with our magnetic field. This interaction sends charged particles into our atmosphere where they collide with gases to create the stunning light show we call the Northern Lights. Isn't science fascinating? It's a constant reminder of how interconnected our universe is and how events millions of miles away can create beauty right here on Earth. Thanks for watching.